Hello everyone, I'm Vi.
And I'm Justin.
And on today's edition of Unboxing for YouTube, we're going to open up the contents of this box, part 3 of 3. Stay tuned. Part 3 is a very large box here. Thank you, sir. Oh, it's upside down, but it's okay. And before I even unbox this, I don't want to hear it from anybody that's going to judge me about this, because I literally have a Lego table right over there with a giant bin of Legos. I say that because this is the Imden Magnetic Block Set.
Interesting.
Right? Right, this is so cool looking. There's 92 pieces in here. Can you put that over there, please? Thank you. Comes a little carrying thing like that. I don't care what anyone thinks. Toys are fun. Especially like building toys. Like Connect and Lego and stuff like this. So on the inside we get, looks like a bag here. And we get all kinds of nifty little, you get a book that shows you what you can do with your little fun magnetic things. Little things you can do. And you get all these, yeah, the magnetic, which is really, look at that. Like the little magnets in each of the edges here. That's really neat. And they just snap together like that. They're quite strong. So you have to kind of line the magnets up. So. That's really cool. So you get those, you get a, I assume what is a stand that you can build off of. The plasticky bits here, the purpley bit there. Then you get some blocks with letters on them. Little square blocks with letters on them. And then you get like numbers and plus signs and division signs. I know these are probably supposed to be educational for kids and whatnot, but... And then inside, here we have... Looks like we have wheels and square bases with magnets. You can probably build off of there. And then in here we just have a lot of these different shaped magnets. We have squares and triangles and half circles. That. They're all different colors. Triangles, more triangles. Ah. They're very magnetic, and that's what's in the box. There are 92 pieces here. I've been really anxious to get this, and I wanted Justin to be here so he could see it too. So I'm going to tilt the camera down a little bit, and I'm just going to start taking this stuff apart and playing with it for just so you can see what it looks like. If you have kids that you want to do educational stuff for, you know, get them for people they're supposed to be for. Or if you're a big giant kid like me and like things like this, definitely check this out. This is really cool. And I believe you can just buy more sets like this. It's kind of like Lego. You can just buy more Lego and build different things. You can just buy more sets and build different things. Like, I probably wouldn't buy a set with the letters and the numbers, because I guess this is more for educational purposes, you know, teaching kids how to, you know, read and count and stuff. But I would definitely buy more of these, because this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. This is why I bought it. So I'm going to tilt the camera down a little bit, and then you can just watch us play with magnetic blocks. I'm going to open up this carrying bag first. If I can put all that stuff in this bag, that would be awesome. Okay, yeah, it's just like a big, this is like a big, this is much bigger than I thought. Carrying bag. I kind of just get to the side and just pull shut like that. So I bet you I can fit everything in here, which is really awesome. Yeah, people just do this building things, so, like, look at that. I don't think we have all the pieces to build that, but that's really cool. Look at that. That's like a Colosseum almost. That's like a little castle. I want all the pieces to build this stuff. There's a lot of really cool designs in here. If you can see it better now. You used to build a ton of different things. It's kind of like a magnetic connect set. I'm not going to get these out, because I'm not going to play with these at all, but these are just, like I said, letters and numbers. I'll keep these over here. I'm not going to get the wheel. I'm not going to get the wheels out yet, because I'm not really going to build a car yet. Oh, there's like little rods in here. There's like little magnetic. I don't know if they're magnetic, but there's little. Well, they're metal, so they would be. So I think this is to connect the wheels together. These little metal rods in here. Well, that's cool. I don't know exactly what this is for yet. I'm gonna get these over here and keep that over there. And I'm just gonna do some build things. If you can't think this kind of stuff is fun, then I'm sorry for you, because this is a lot of fun.
What do you think?
Wow, look what Justin made a little. Look at that. That is pretty cool. I have an idea, possibly. We've used all the little magnetic pieces that aren't these. There we go. We made our little walkway into our little tower thing.
Oh, it looks pretty.
There you go. Let's take a picture of this before we take it down. So I'm going to move the camera back up now because I think we're done playing for now. All right, we're back up here now, and I can't pick it up, but if you were watching and you saw the little, there we go, the tower house thing we made. High five for teamwork. The architect. So yeah, this is kind of fun.
It was.
Like, imagine if we had like more of these, like a lot more of these pieces, what we could build. We could build some of those awesome things.
Then we'd be able to make more of these that actually specific shapes.
Yeah, like this castle here. That'd be awesome. Like, I really like this, whatever the heck this is here. That's really awesome. So yeah, look at that. Like all the pieces are, like how do they get this? Do that. We haven't even played with the wheels yet. You can make little cars. Yeah, this possibilities are endless. Do I sound like a person trying to say yes? Okay, I'll stop it. So yeah, this is really, really neat. I bought this on a whim, and I'm going to look into ordering more of these pieces, and if I do, I will unbox them on camera for you, and then we will build more awesome things with them. So this has been the unboxing and playing with of the Imden, I-M-D-E-N, Imden 92-piece magnetic block set. It's not just for kids. Even though it's supposed to be for kids, it's not just for kids. And, ooh, we can make a little Voltron transformer guy. A Ferris wheel. Whatever he's making, a big giant pyramid. They need to do a version of this box where everyone on the front is an adult.
The only thing that I see here is that it's for 3 and up. It doesn't say up to.
Yeah,
so...
and I'm up. So I'm above 3. I am up. So yes.
So yes, you may use this.
I don't care if I said 3 to 10. I'd still be using it. So I'll add this to my awesome toy collection that includes Lego and this and some other various things. If you're wondering about buying the Imden Magnetic Block Set for your child or yourself, this has been the unboxing and playing with of that item. This is a lot of fun. This is really cool. Thank you for watching. I hope this was informative. If you liked the video, please shoot it a like. Subscribe to the channel to see more unboxings of fun stuff like this. And I will see you all in the next unboxing. Until then, I'm Fi.
And I'm Justin.
And you have a good night or day, whatever it is, wherever you are. Cheers.
Goodbye.